Villa 9215 Composting Toilet Review. Watch this video to the end to see if it is the best composting toilet. Villa 9215 is the most advanced, trouble-free composting toilet available for on-grid or off-grid living. It is waterless and urine-diverting. The Villa 9215 will operate on either AC, standard household or on-grid, or DC, from battery or solar power. It features a single-speed fan, with adapters for both AC and DC to support venting to 20 feet. The design of the toilet bowl catches the urine in a drain which is plumbed to a greywater system or holding tank. The solid waste and paper only are contained within the solid waste holding area in a compostable liner bag. The vent fan pulls air over the solid waste holding area, serving to help dry the solid waste and vent any odor. After a period of use, generally about 3 weeks for average family use, the compostable liner bag is removed from the solid waste holding area and is deposited in your composter, approved solid waste disposal area, or incinerated. Villa is a good option for remote areas and for places where it is difficult or expensive to use a regular toilet. Most users opted for a Villa composting toilet to use in a tiny home, RV, camping site, boat, barn or remote cabin. The pros of this products are: it doesn't smell at all because the fan moves all odors outside. Changing the bags is simple and it is very comfortable to sit on. The cons of this products are that it fills up with toilet paper pretty fast. In conclusion, users consider it to be the best composting toilet. People claim that it works really well and it is simple to use and empty. It is considered to be the best solution for a remote cabin, tiny home, RV, camping, boat, and to be the perfect solution in remote areas. This video is made by Gadgets Club, the site that brings you the best gadgets and the best tech deals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Check the links in the description to see the best composting toilet.